intent of this video is to show how we installed a screen enclosure on our patio. The first thing we needed to do was to knock out extra material in each of the corners where the screen enclosure would go. Then we make measurements for cutting, starting with the verticals and then moving to the horizontals. Then, using a wood cutting tool, we cut the aluminum framing. Then we verify that the frame members fit in the opening, and we secure them 6 inches from each end and at least every 24 inches. Then we install corner clips at each joint of a framing member. With the general frame in place, we can install the door with self-tapping fasteners on the exterior and on the hinges. With the door mounted, the bug sweep can be mounted with self-tapping fasteners. The door latching mechanism can be installed with the catch. And the door closing mechanism can be attached to both the exterior framing and the door. With all the framing and doors complete, now the screening can be installed. We start by clipping screening into the opening. Then we spline the screening into place, starting in the middle and working our way out, leaving the last few inches of each end unsplined. Then we spline the right side and the left side from top to bottom, leaving the last few inches of each end unsplined. Then we spline the bottom, starting with the middle and working our way to the edges, leaving the corners unsplined. Then we finish the splining by splining in each corner. Finally, we cut off any excess screening. And we verify the screen installation is nice and tight. Finally, we apply sealant around the left, top, and right sides of the screen enclosure between the wall and the aluminum framing. We do not apply sealant on the bottom. And that's how you enclose a lanai or patio in Sreening.